Opterna has a rich and unparalleled legacy. We have been building know-how in optics since 1991, when various companies within our parent firm, Nest Group, began designing fiber optics products for a plethora of markets. Our heritage in the field goes even further back, to the late 1980s, when our founder and chairman, Javad Hassan, headed the fiber optics and laser division at AMP Inc., then a global leader in the electronic connector industry. Under his leadership, AMP grew to a $1.5 billion business and joined the ranks of Fortune 100 companies. In order to unlock the value and expertise gathered over a 15-year period, Opterna was launched in 2006.
As part of this restructuring, we created two companies, SFO Technologies, which would focus on engineering and manufacturing, and Opterna, whose main focus would be designing fiber optic-based technology products. Under Opterna, we consolidated all our original fiber optic technologies and equipment production.
Telecommunications was the first market we chose to enter. Given our product development experience in fiber optics communications, targeting that market was logical. Currently valued at more than $50 billion, the size of the fiber optics-enabled telecom is expected to double in the next 7 years, primarily driven by developing economies. Our first big contract was a large infrastructure job with the U.S. telecom giant Verizon, the first major American carrier to offer fiber to home and other premises. As part of this deal, we are providing Verizon with fiber optic solutions for its bundled communication service, Fios. Fios offers consumers high-quality internet, video, and phone programming. Verizon is using our products to deliver Fios to millions of homes in New York City, Los Angeles, Chicago, and Philadelphia, among other major U.S. cities. We plan to continue to focus on the design and development of product and technologies related to fiber management systems, which is a $4 billion market.
Fiber management systems organize the basic optical plumbing, which means pipes that are the physical infrastructure. And it is the core infrastructure of all modern wired and wireless communication networks. As the Verizon Fios program indicates, we are well on our way to become a significant player in this critical arena.
Within the fast-growing and versatile communications market, Opterna has entered other areas as well. One such field is mobile applications. We have already launched a software division focusing on mobile applications in the developing world. This includes developing mobile payment systems in local languages. Going forward, our mission is to be a leading supplier of lifestyle-enhancing communication products and devices. To fulfill this, our engineers and technicians are working round the clock in locations spread across the globe, including Pennsylvania in the United States, Stockholm in Sweden, and Cochin and Bangalore in India. These locations are collaborating on designing and developing wireless gateways and next-generation media centers for home networks. Opterna's success in the telecom sector has motivated us to enter other areas.
My vision is to build on the success we have had in telecom and expand it to other critical areas, including healthcare. Fiber optic technology has tremendous potential not only to better but also to save the lives of people.
Today, fiber optics and laser products are being widely used in a variety of areas within healthcare. Applications include diagnostic and surgical tools. In short, our plan is to replicate the success we have had in the telecom area in various lifestyle applications. Our parent company has already participated in the deployment of high-tech telemedicine terminals that were produced by us.
We are indeed very pleased with our growth in North America. My vision is to bring this success to the rest of the world, especially in our part of the world, which is Middle East and India.
To make this vision a reality, we plan to move our key operations to the Middle East. A logical place for us to relocate is Qatar, an economic powerhouse in the Middle East and a leader in investing in world-class medical, sports, and multimedia institutions.
In fiber optics and other fields of technology, I planted the seed of being one of the top vendors of this infrastructure, a big growth area. As the Qatar royal family has shown in the Middle East, in the basic infrastructure and educational and cultural institution building in Doha.
By joining hands with Qatar, we can jointly create a communication infrastructure hub that will manufacture and market products to global clients and an optoelectronics ecosystem that will provide jobs and create sustainable wealth. In particular, we are excited about the prospect of a partnership to equip the country's new centers of excellence, including the multi-billion-dollar Pearl Qatar and the Education City. It is our conviction that the combination of these centers of excellence and the new communication infrastructure hub can make Qatar the epicenter for the flow of technological innovations. Being positioned as the nexus of information flow will also create additional synergies in the area of education. Qatar is home to several world-class educational institutions, many of them homegrown, and some of them branches of prestigious schools from other nations. These institutions are producing top-notch graduates every year that can find opportunities in supporting Qatar's new position as a center of information technology.
We want to benefit from the presence of these skilled graduates with world-class education. In return, we hope that they would find our company, which is a place where new ideas and ingenuity are always encouraged, the right platform to launch their careers and serve their nation and the rest of the world.
For much of history, technology flowed from the Middle East and the East to the rest of the world. Today, our vision is to make that happen again, with Qatar as the nexus.